Bravery. It's so easy to observe someone else and comment about how brave that person's been. It's not quite as easy to acknowledge when we have been brave. So I wanted to touch a little bit around what's going on when we are being brave, because we just don't acknowledge it, but we're doing it all the time. So whenever we come up with something new, whenever we want to do something differently, that's actually bravery energy at play. Taking something new, a new idea, and we are wanting to express it. We're wanting to make it happen. And that takes a lot. But in that energy is a roller coaster of emotions. And so we forget that bravery is part of that energy, and we get distracted by the doubts and the excitement and the not going so well and the, oh, I think it went well. Oh, let me just see. Let me just regroup. And I don't know, maybe I have to do it differently. With all of that going on, we forget about the original momentum of being brave and putting that out in the world. So anytime that you are trying something new, that is you being brave. Acknowledge the bravery, and that will help create momentum for you to do that next new thing.